Hi guys, I am Mohammad Bilal and you are watching Trendsetters Academy. So in this lecture, this is lecture 4, and in this lecture I will tell you about how to handle the list view. So as you see, the list view are everywhere in our mobile. It plays the most important role, like in contacts activity, in message activity, in as you see in WhatsApp, or in videos, in audios, everywhere there are lists. A lot of lists are there. So in this lecture I will tell you about simple how to handle a list, how to create a list just using simple strings. So the ingredients, the things for list view, in this lecture I will tell you about the things what we need, what we should need for creating a simple list view. So at first we'll start from here. The things that we don't need, we just remove it, like the text view. You have to remove this thing, or just changing the layout here, and we just place it the relative layout that it is easy to use. Just make the things really simple here. Just place, drag this button from top to bottom and place it in center. Now the list view, drag the list view here. Okay, so now the list view, what you will see here is the width is match underscore parent and the height is match underscore parent. It means that it covers the overall layout. Okay, and what layout we are using? We are using relative layout. Right now our list is just covering the whole relative layout. So at first we just manage its position, or right now is just typing few things, like just changing the height. We put it about 400 pixels and just give it id, that what id it should be. The id is list view. So the thing is here is clear. So for the list view we should create another xml, and this xml is like what we should place in a list view. So now what we will create here is list view, my list view, my list view dot xml. That's okay. So now here you have to write a thing that what you want to place in list view. That might be a text, that might be a photo, or that might be anything, that might be time, that might be date. So what I am writing here is just remove this thing. What is the height? Height is also match underscore parent. This is overall data, that the width is fill underscore parent, height is fill underscore parent, what the it's 10 dp. You may write it 10 dip or 10 dp, it's not so much matter. So in this thing you will see an error. The error is that in my previous tutorial you'll see this, I just click on the text and I just click on the button and text will appear. This is my first click on the hello world. So I just removed that hello world field, so it just generate an error. I just removed it from here. Now the list view, what we should need for the list view, just remove the things from here. And okay, list view, at first just declare the list view. What is my list view name? It's just the simple thing is list view. Okay, now what are the things in my list view? There should be a string. I just declared an array of string, and the string might be the numbers, and the numbers should be like 1, 2, or 3, 4 and so on, whatever you want to write. Okay, so I just declared the list view and the numbers. What I just want to create as the new thing is an array adapter. You know what is an array adapter? The array adapter is basically like what we will do. Array adapter is like you just you want to show the things in vertical order. It's like you want to show in lists, so it just get the string and placed in view, and you will see the lists in view. That the adapter converts an array list of objects into views, items, and loaded into list view container. This is the thing that we are creating a list view here. So what just means that we have an items here. You will say it's a string. The items are just 1 2 3 4 are the items, and array list just get those objects and paste these items into the list, and this is the task of the adapter. What adapter will do, take the array list, make the objects, and place the objects into views to show in the list view. Start the next thing. The next thing is list view. Just find the list view from id. What my id is, my id is list view, so I just get that list view. Now just get, so now I will create an array adapter. What array adapter is, how to create an array adapter is like new array adapter. Okay, so just the tag is like this, that I'm creating its string, so I just create the string. And where to create it, it has 3 parameters. The first parameter is it should be, the context should be here, so I just tell this thing that array should be created here, the array is here, the numbers are here. So, and find where r dot layout dot which layout activity underscore no, this thing, my list activity. You will see here my list activity. So this is the thing that I just placed it here, that get that data from there. And what you will do here is so here you will tell that which thing you want to place. So I want to place what, I want to place my numbers. Okay, so I just click list view. Now I tell my list view to set an adapter. I tell my list view to add that thing, list view to set an adapter. And what the adapter is, the adapter is array adapter. You'll see here we have no business with our button, so I just remove the button here. Okay, and just remove these things, so it's easy to recognize you that this is just a simple code for a simple list view. So just run the thing and just play it. Select my emulator and just start the thing. That's just the Gradle is. If you have any issue with the things, then you may email me, you may text me, you may tell me on my blog, or you may comment here and tell the things that you have an issue with Android. I will tell you and guide you in a better way what happens. So now you will see here that we got list 1 2 3 4 adjustments, and this is the button that just placed dragged here. So this is the overall tutorial that you will see here. Is what just doing is just get these number strings and place them in list view through array adapter. You see, array adapter, you just call this array adapter as a bridge between the values that you want to place in a list view. So array adapter is what? Array adapter, you call it as a bridge, and what we will see here is just put this set adapter, like here is one thing, the list view, and here is that data, and data is placed in list view. Okay, so here is the total thing, and see you in the last lecture, and have a nice day, and meet you in next lecture. Okay, bye.